Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a VeraSecure Smart Home Controller gateway and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this gateway not connecting to Wi-Fi or the internet, or if it's not syncing or pairing with your devices, or not controlling things properly, or not responding, not detected, things like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now the second reason you're going to want to do this, and you have to do it either way, is if you want to get this set up as a new device, maybe you're moving it to a new home or whatever, and you just want to get it fresh like it's coming out of the box, we can go ahead and reset this really easily. All we need to do is find the reset button, which is right here on the side of the device. And what you're going to do is you're going to come in and you're going to press, it's right next to the sync button, you're going to come in and press this button 6 times in 6 seconds. And if you press this 6 times in 6 seconds, it will revert this to its factory default settings and you can set it up again as a new device.